Good morning. Okay, no voice, have voice. Oh, good morning, have voice. Okay, to example. Para aware. Yeah. Good morning. So, what your name? Dito tanong. Say. Okay na yan. Prince. Next. P. A. Par. Paul. Par. Adwa. Two name. Ano yan? Prince ka. Okay. Next. Last name. Amistoso. Prince. So anak. Kaya nga naman. Disin sa bunot ang disin sa coconut gikat ang kanang ang sign language. So basta anak. P. Happy. Sige. So now ra na nga sign name o past different change. I change before daw yung sign name naman sa duha ka aum, so PP ya ha. Now FSL, so ana na. So if go ASL PP. Okay. So tell mama what ang work. Mr. Next. Mr. Saigon. So where nag-work si Risa may Pipongpo. So ang katong ni-graduate dito nag-work kay inform ako. But now resign. So tell tell na to papa what ang work. Sa mountain. Water. So plumbing. So it talks about water nga magkuhan sa mga bolts. Plumber yung papa. Where can he from? Complete address. From province. Sibulan. Buok. Again. Bulok. Sibulan, bulok. Sibulan na. Bulok, barangay. Next, ang town. or Port 7. So, where man na? Negros Oriental. So, tell, so, mo na yan. So, or, Dumaguete. So, what's sign Dumaguete? So, Dumaguete. So, peace-loving people. So, nasa dito sa province. So, tell na to, how many children sa family? Only one? Sister. First si Prince, second sister. So, tell mama, papa, why man become deaf? Na sick, very high fever, then pag birth, ang mama na sick or ikaw na sick? Ikaw. Pila na old ato pagka sick? 2 or 3 years old. So yung na-remember mo nag-inform siyang mama. Why become deaf? Because deaf reason ako don't know man about mo speak. So never pag wala ka pakaka-speak, so become naka-deaf. Mo na-inform mama. So second, sister, hearing. So what naman grade now? Grade sister. K11 na. Asa ba nag-school? Negros Oriental. So ikaw, where man ka elementary? Where man ka nag-school elementary o asa man? West. 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 City. Central. Elementary Central School in Dumaguete. So, together sa deaf or together sa hearing? Together sa deaf. Mixed with hearing. Elementary, focus, deaf only. Grade 1 to grade 6. Pila ka buok students in one class, classmate imo. 7 sila ka buok. So, 7, pag-graduate, elementary, graduate, so 7 na mo from dito nga school, West. Next, pag high school, where man ka school? Dumaguete City National High School. So, but pila ka buok? Again, deaf only or with hearing? Mix. Sige, mix. Pila mo ka buok? Deaf. So 35 all student, but deaf only nga gi-mix. Pila ka buok? 7 ra. 7 ra gi-mix sa 28 kay 35 man all. So ana ang itabo. So then ang have interpreter sa school or ang teacher mag-interpret? Teacher only. Separate. Suspend. Interpreter. So get ra 8 time have deaf. Cannot. So what happened? So deaf ra 7 ka deaf. Grade 7. Stay na. So pag grade 6 o 7, so with interpreter or sa deaf to na school, but later teacher na lang. So how man follow? Lagi speak. So the student also learn sign language, so they teach and skill or there is somebody nga mono taker sa ilaha. So mo na situation kay kinahanglan man di man sila kaapa sa teacher kay di man sila kadungog. So kung wala pag technology labi na daghan sila 35. So so partner sa hearing nga mo suwat note taker, so mo speak ang teacher is what sa other hearing. So mo na ang situation. So para maka-explain more sa ilaha. So what man example sa gido nga inote sa hearing nga student. So partner okay. So other, so man with man nga partner, babae. So or choice which you have friend. So 7 mamo, so 7 sad ka partner. So next grade 11, grade 10, where man graduate? This in Japan School, West. Stay na sa West. Grade 9, 10, 11. But deaf teacher. How na deaf teacher? How? Punin. Hearing na Japan. 6 ka buok. Ang hearing at teacher. Sa subject. So later kanang mag-OGT immersion. Where man mo nag-immersion? Immersion meaning practice, work, where man ka nag-work. What man lahat dito? Yung what man mga no. High school ba? K-12. Cooking. TBL. Technical, vocational, techbook. So all deaf cooking. What man nga food ang gi-cook? Vegetables. Later next K-12 pizza and cake. So learn na. But need follow. What man gido para ma-follow sa deaf ang what ang next. So nag-make o write up before what ang i-follow. So sa partner mo write then ipa-read. Okay, so sa notebook only. Okay, so what we do sometimes in food, so that need to write in isuwat isuwat sa chat kung unsa inyong pangutana para ta magkasinabot kay pa-headset na ko na siya para makadungog sa mo silang voice, the silent voice. Malower ka, Lawrence, ano man murag hina inyong connection. Sige lang, agwanta lang ta. So, next, continue. So, pag-graduate, immersion, practice, deaf, all together, wala. The same ron sa Hotel Fortuna sa college, different. So what happened? Nag-COVID nga time. So, what happened? Where mo practice of cooking? Sa home, ra? 2019, 2018, have face-to-face. Pag COVID nga time, pag ito 12, you stay sa home. So, dito lang mo nag-practice sa home. This is mother, when COVID nga time, so, naman OGT, so, ang nag-practice sa home, mama, papa, o mo supervisory. So, wala mo nag-practice. Okay, difficult, wala. So, no opening, closing of business. So, the same mama. So, close to ang Mr. Saigon. Mr. Saigon, Vietnam. So, tell na to sa ilaha. What man good na learn sa school after K-12 nga. K-12. So, when they can graduate? What year? So, 2021. So, 2000, pagani na sa college, 2024. So, 3, when 21, 22, 23, 24. So, 3 years ka ni-stop. So, what man ang gido nga nag-stop man kag school? Pag school ba, ni-stop man ka kay 19. When to graduate? 21. 22, 23. Pag-graduate, later, 1 year, ni-rest pa siya. Si inyo. North. Agree. Mugos ang def, apply. Okay, have def dito. Accept sa Norso. Have many def? What course? Negros Oriental State University na siyang Norso. So daghan. Many def. So accept na sila. HRM nga course dito. So di-accept mga def dito. So pila ka buok now? But now, wala na. MDC. So, school kaya po na. Bago nga school. Near Dumaguete. What ang course? Computer. Flight or for airport. Now. So, open na sila for deaf. Accept na. Pero have interpreter. Mini subject. Difficult. Not easy. Before COVID nga time, 1 year, I rest. Go want to have deaf. So, I want to go to Norso. But teacher interview me. I am deaf, only one. But hearing many, so I am fine with, I'm the only deaf. But parents, no money. So, I decide stay lang sa house. So, saan ka dito, nag-work ka. Pag-stop ni mo school. So, pila ka years di ka nag-work? 1 year. 1 year. So, where man ka work? Wala yan, Piapi. No? So, what man food? What man imong gi-work? Bread. Noodles. So, dito ka nag-work. Pila man salary? 1 day. 1 day salary. Pila man? 308 ang salary dito, Dumaguete. So, first training. The next na, pila ka days ang training sa bread o katong noodles. Pila man ka days ang training. Training. So 308 na ang salary. Pero dito ra ang training. Pero pila ka book deaf? How many deaf work? 6 ka person. 1 hearing. My mother. So ang imong mama, the same guide all deaf how to work para ma-improve the future. So 6 ka deaf, all man, all 2 girls or 2 women, 4 boys. But now, continue sila work dito. So, pila naka-book dev dito? Daghan na. Daghan? So, many, Mr. Saigon is mura siya o food or restaurant, no? Restaurant near city. Near sa city sa Dumaguete. So there is a school there, nearer, but far from Siliman. Siliman, far. So, near gyapon. So, many customers na may-enter sa food ba, mobile, kaon. So, mo na dito ang situation sa IAHA. So, now, 2024, how mano si Teo open deaf? Me, work, finish. So I search, find where interpreter for college. So that to help the deaf. So I search in Cebu, si Teo. So help me, my mother, explain. I go to college. You need education. So more. I ask, I want 4 years, but only 2 years. So, fine. So, decide, mama, independent ka here sa Cebu. Yourself na. So, how man budget money send mama? Asa magkikaroon nag-live, nag-rent o apartment? Pila man budget sa apartment 1 month? Food, electricity, water, pila man pay all? Free ang water, electricity. Pila? With na sa rent. Pila man 1 month? 2,000. So, budget for food. Separate. So, add mama. Then, next, what pa other budget? Sa food, Nera Sitio. Near Colon. UV. So, together, pila ka book dep na nag-rent together sa imo. Tulo. Si Lester. Kinsa pala yun? Akibin. Kampo. Akibin. Katong Taganaga. The next. Ikaw. So, the same mo room. Okay. So, the bed. 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 All boys. Pila ka book. 1 sa 1 nga room. Pila ka book? 2 ra. So, lagi. So, pila ka buok ini-enter sa room? Pila ka buok? 8? So, together mo sa hearing. So, difficult if na ikawatan. Lagi, kay how? What man have CCTV? So, have CCTV. So, near Colon, where man near UV ba? So, sa parlor. Near sa parlor. So, naay kanang glasses. So, pila na ka months nag-rent now dito? Pila na ka months? Dili, no. Pila ka months? When start ni come sa Cebu, pila naman ka months ka nag-rent? Ikaw. Nag-rent. When start? August, September, October, November, December, January, February. So, February. So, almost 7 months na. So, fine ra. So what man now nga independent, different from Dumaguete nga place, Cebu. So always careful what man responsibility sa home. So early go, early go home, come school early. So always follow rules. Tell mama, advice, and papa. So sister, communicate mo sa home. So sister, good. So asa sister now nag-work? West Japon, nag-study? Sa high school. Senior, SP spa. Ang sister? Ano sa man ang nag-learn siya spa. Nag-learn siya massage. Meaning, later na, imuha kay TVL man, sa sister, different. Okay, so different yung sister. So, but communicate, mama, papa, daily, talk about you. Okay, how man chat? So, video call, mama, busy. So, always communicate. Para aware. Kaya mas yung tagay here. Wala mo katagay. So, wala, control, only water. Okay, ha, mag-control. Yourself man responsible. Easy naman kayo. Hindi. Invite. How? Budget money. Need, anak ra. Need. What yun ito, anak? Meaning? Stingy? What meaning, anak? Budget? Frugal? Budget talaga. So, anak kasi mong money sa ilahan ng language. Okay, tell now how if other student borrow you money. Pabaro, sometimes other wala. So tell na nimo own ra. So never magpabaro. Okay, again, when pay. Para aware. Okay, not easy. So yourself lang responsible. So pass, what you need to win? What you need to contest? Ikaw join? Contest, ambassador. Ambassador. So pass yung daw. Ni-join siya, ambassador. Pila man mo win? Win ka? Fourth? So basta na award dito. Na award. Wala. So fine ra. Good experience. Now understand it. Passion. Not easy yapon. The same as work. Not aware? And budget, money too. Purot. I-print always. Kato dress or clothes. Okay, so tell na to other sa ilaha now in Cebu. Now, so what man plan future? I want to work cooking. So what man ang i-cooking? Good. Lagi restaurant, what man nga food? Filipino, American, European nga food. Ini, so need lang mo learn. With other deaf and hearing and communicate what food. So in the future, own business para find good idea. So not lang become lazy. Lang na para aware. Kaya not man easy find og money. So no play games. ML code M. Play, continue. So hurot load, ikaw. Sometimes ra. So, kaya mahurot yan po ng load, ang money. Kaya load good. Need internet. If fast, if fail, how? Again, load. How control? Time, sleep. What time sleep? 8 sa gabi. Then, mata, what time? 6. So, who man cook sa food? Dito sa rent nga house. Magbayar mo food? Magbayar mo. Very cheap sa karinderya. Find good experience. So walay utang sa karinderya. Food, utang, lista. Wala utang. The same, Mr. Saigon. So no utang. What ganito food dito? Nasaan siumay? Siumay sa wala. Only Vietnamese food. Vietnamese food. Different kay Filipino food. So always rabay Filipino nga food. Vegetable kay barato. Kaysa meat. Meat nga pork or pig or cow. Control lang. Kay if always, so how budget money? Now learn from it. So now 7 months na rent, how many naman dito together always change other debt, or maybe transfer other house? Wala, always the same. Carbon, So transfer ang others sa colon. From colon, i-transfer sila sa carbon. Maybe near sa vegetable. Sa far from work. So mag-hike ra, baklay ra. Sa Hotel Fortuna. So ang yang together nga mga debt. So from Hotel Fortuna. Para dool ra sa carbon kay Borromeo man to, Borromeo Street. So lakaw na lang sila. So now ang others that knew they nag-rent, no? Pero Kevin so from si Kevin, ikaw so transfer na sila. So ikaw na lang stay dito ron sa rent, nag-rent dito. Why man daw sila transfer? Mahal na pay or add na pay? Dirty, smell, not good smell. Wi-Fi, no load, so I transfer. So there is no, so always, where man mo mag-connect sa Wi-Fi? Where man mo connect? Phone, sa cellphone ra. Join na sa cellphone, so need more budget. Okay, need man na, the same food. Always daily. Okay, trabaho mo na, the same electricity. Para fine. Pero, tell na to, makahir pa pikas nga. Makahir. Kamera equal dako diri sa right nga side makadungog pa siya gamay sa pikas gamay na lang pero never use hearing aid. You have hearing aid but so give from Bohol. Give lagi sa idea. Aware district. So nai-give sa dito if wala mo, if mano mo nga walay na-dev sa inyo ang person, so pwede na mag-give dito mo no, na schedule when i-give ang hearing aid para makahir. Pero why not use it pila ka years not use or nag-start use it past? Okay, so sakit yung ear pag 3 years old, so 3 years old nag-start na yung tatag hearing aid siya. Then until maybe 2000 5 years na siya nag-use. Pero now, not pa to guba na to. So need na sa i-repair. Morning wala na yung mag-use na. Kaya need battery, repair, then later new. Buy kang new, mahal. Mo na give. Pero kato Starkey wala na ka nang iban Starkey. Wala pa, hope pa ka. Okay, wala pa na name mo na list. Okay. So now here in Cebu Technological University, how man communicate with other hearing? Learn to read my lips and listen to them. So fine ra. So how now near na first year pa man ron, near if kanang vacation mo go home. So visit ka sa Dumaguete when man, all every 2 weeks or what man schedule. Vacation. Before. If now, face to face, 2 weeks. 2 weeks online. So, wala lang kago dito. Waste money. So, I just stay. Tell mama. Always stay ra. What do lang good. Not bad. Tell very strict. If need para control. Para future successful. Okay, so what man ato advice sa ila para maka-learn sila sign language, what man tell na to i-advise. How man sila communicate para ma-improve. Communicate with sign, you must important support advocacy. So advocate for sign language for the deaf because there are no interpreters. Important, you need to learn ESL or FSL. Help Example, college, high school, o health. O lagi, pat cannot man ta health if not willing. So sila, course Manila in the future becomes a teacher. Ako different man po course. Oh, course Manila, BS NED. Bachelor of kanang special needs education. So all maybe teacher sila for the deaf future. Oh, but deaf need gapon. Hindi mo communicate kaya ka ma-improve sign language. So you need practice man. Di siya ako practice mo kubas. But never ma-course. Not my course. So I'm willing learn communicate with the deaf. So para aware sila, so need para mo improve, learn sila more or birds. So in Dumaguete, have man organization sa deaf. What name? What name sa organization? See, deaf. So different. Kaya complete not. DEAF. IN incorporated dili. Pata. Kana pata. So, Deaf Pata organization ilang organization dito. So, help always active for the deaf. Example si ito upaw na lang ito mag-paint from USC nga ni graduate fine arts. Si kinsa nito? Ito na din usa. Na child usa. Forget ko sa name but ako memorize sa face. So have deaf lead go ganito siya anak. Later ako itong i-show nimo. Or maybe atong i-search di. Amo sa i-search ha. Sa ito yung ngalan kay kalimot na ta. Dugay na ka ito. So, ba? Diba mao man na? Ako man. Kana ba Sa name man sa name sa name Ro. Ayan naman so nang Deaf Pata sa ano ba kato iya ba wife Susan lagi asa man name lagi Deaf Pata Association of the Deaf lagi so ako understand kay some friend man ako pero wala na ron diha kato bang paint ba mo paint so, ang iyahang wife name Susan Lo. Wala na katong matured naman to young pa man so all group now young pa. Forget ko sa name. Kaya ako no man ko. Pero graduate ko siya USC Fine Arts. Pero graduate siya maybe 4-year course. But now maybe nag-work siya not government organization. Ako to niya i-find diha sa imong na ko other pictures. Okay. Kani kailan ko na Kim. Graduate na dire. Other deaf kay student man ako so kaila rin ko. So nadari si Kim, family name yan niya. Kim man ang first name. Pero nag-work na siya dito, Dumaguete. Other wala man ako nakita katong akong amigo dari. Kaya matured naman tong mga deaf. Kani pa Kana ba yung wife? Romel day Romel family name so JF so kana siya yang Flores day Susan Lo day ito no Romel Lo what sign GF day to Oh, so different pa yun ang sinias mo nang wala ko ka memorize kay not man to na ko nga ni graduate dire. So graduate siya sa USC Fine Arts. Fine Arts. Muna ako no. Kay friend mo mi. Oh, o kana iyo wife, na-meet naman na ako last time dire. O kato si Mark Misami. Oh, ako no. O hindi, Justin. Justin Katakutan. Oh. So no, so graduate ko dire. So mo na ako no. But others meet na nako past pa katong Maria Victoria katong deaf nga from Ormoc. Oh, come to dire. Anya, nagsigim to drink. Oh, diha tulog. Kaya man na drink ana naman. Oh, so natang tapalo ato kay wrong man natang tra mag-accept kay bad man influence sa other deaf. Kay mag-drink ini kagabi only alas 12. Sa afternoon, 12 noon mag-drink. So alas 2, hubog. Oh, so luoy. Oh, wala. Yeah, together sa other deaf nga have money. Kay baro mo siya money, drink. Okay. Atil. So para aware. So mo na tong i-share ron. Naaman dito other, nakita na ko picture sa deaf. Ipata. No? Kay meaning sa ipata, be open. So naam na sa Bible. So lain lang ilang spelling E-F-F-T-T-A Epata. Pero ang sa Bible E-P-H-E-E-T-A be open. So kung ganahan mo mag about nila sa from Dumaguete nga deaf no organization. So organization sa ilaha. But need gyapon. So member siya sa organization. So dapat na member ka sa deaf na organization para na kay PWD ID. So na PWD ID. So always not malos. Always take care. Kay malos, no use. Oh, no use. Okay, so thank you. Doon na to.